Do you ever feel like it might be too late to invest in Shiba Inu? Maybe you look back a couple of years and think you missed the chance when everything was exploding. But what if I told you that massive developments have just arrived? Updates that could genuinely reshape the future price of our beloved Shiba Inu coin. Because right now, whales are making bold moves, and their behavior is sending a powerful signal to the entire crypto market. So let's break down exactly what's happening, why it's happening, and how Shiba Inu may be gearing up for a real moonshot. Before we begin, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency. Shiba Inu is currently moving along a surprisingly bullish trajectory, and much of this momentum appears to be driven by major investors positioning themselves in the ecosystem. Shiba Inu has evolved far beyond just a meme coin. It's now a multi-layered protocol with a rapidly expanding ecosystem, and several important factors are contributing to its recent resurgence. One of the biggest factors is the massive surge in large transactions happening on the SHIB network. According to the crypto analytics provider Into the Block, large SHIB transactions have jumped by an impressive 41% in the past 24 hours alone. This surge represents a transaction volume of $45.4 million. These large transactions, defined as transfers valued at $100,000 or more, have climbed from 4.10 trillion SHIB on November 2nd to roughly 5.8 trillion SHIB. This type of activity highlights the increasing interest and confidence that significant investors have in Shiba Inu, both as a utility token and as a long-term investment. While many other metrics remain uncertain for now, whale activity is clearly the primary driving force behind the recent positive momentum. At the same time, overall trading volume has dipped by about 30%, which can mask the subtle upward shift in price. But here's something important to remember. The value of a cryptocurrency isn't determined only by its price. One of the clearest indicators of a crypto asset's value is its market capitalization. Understanding market cap is essential if you want a more complete picture of Shiba Inu or any other cryptocurrency. A crypto's market cap is the total value of all coins currently in circulation. For Shiba Inu, the market cap stands at around $4.6 billion. Before investing in any cryptocurrency, you should always know its market cap because it reflects both its stability and its long-term potential. A higher market cap generally means the asset is more stable, while lower caps often translate to greater volatility. That means as Shiba Inu grows in market cap, the token becomes less susceptible to wild price swings and more appealing to long-term investors. Lower volatility is actually a positive thing for cryptocurrencies. Stability means prices aren't jumping randomly, making the asset safer and more practical for everyday use. When a market is extremely volatile, it's harder for investors to trust it. With reduced volatility, more people feel comfortable holding or investing in that cryptocurrency, which ultimately supports its long-term growth. Many investors try to predict the future price of Shiba Inu by analyzing market cap, and while this can offer insight, it's also important to consider current exchange rates and trading volume. The trading volume of a cryptocurrency represents how much of that asset is being bought and sold across exchanges within a certain time frame. High trading volume typically signals strong demand and greater liquidity, meaning it's easier to buy or sell the token at its current price. Meanwhile, low trading volume can mean the price is more likely to swing unpredictably. Right now, Shiba Inu's trading volume doesn't fully reflect the growing interest from big investors, but the increase in whale activity shows that something meaningful is happening beneath the surface. The question circulating online these days is whether it's too late to buy Shiba Inu in 2023. The truth is that understanding the relationship between the trading volume and market cap can help you make smarter decisions. A high volume to market cap ratio usually means strong liquidity and more stable prices, while a low ratio may indicate challenges in trading the asset smoothly. So what's the current situation for Shiba Inu? A lot of excitement is building around upcoming projects and solutions being developed for Shibarium. The lead developer, Satoshi Kusama, has hinted multiple times that new updates are coming, and this has significantly boosted demand for SHIB in recent weeks. With November historically being a tough month for Shiba Inu, this could actually become its first positive November in 3 years. Not long ago, Satoshi made an unexpected appearance in the Shibarium Tech Telegram channel, catching the community by surprise. Even though his message was cryptic, it immediately sparked conversations across social media. When a SHIB enthusiast asked how he was doing, Shytoshi responded that he was better than ever and preparing to lay the beauty of Shiba before the feet of the masters. This statement left the community puzzled but intrigued. Many wondered who these masters might be and what Shytoshi was hinting at. Shytoshi often uses metaphors inspired by Eastern philosophies, a style he leaned into earlier this year when discussing the possible launch of Shibarium on Valentine's Day. In another Telegram message posted over the weekend, he mentioned that many people would spread doubt and confusion, but only global leaders seem capable of truly understanding the magnitude of what the team is building. According to him, those who understand already align themselves with these leaders. This also connects to Shytoshi's recent statement comparing Shiba Inu to a certain well-known platform, saying, SHIB is greater than X, a subtle hint that some believe may be directed toward Elon Musk, who continues to rebrand Twitter as X, while adding new features for monetization and expanding the platform's global reach. Beyond the Shiba Inu ecosystem itself, broader economic trends are playing a significant role in shaping the crypto market. One of the most influential factors right now is the anticipation surrounding the possible approval of a Bitcoin spot ETF by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. If this ETF gets approved, it could have a major impact on Bitcoin's price and, by extension, the prices of altcoins like Shiba Inu. So why would a Bitcoin ETF approval be such a big deal? First, it dramatically increases accessibility. A Bitcoin ETF allows people to invest in Bitcoin through traditional financial markets just like they would invest in stocks. This opens the door to millions of new investors who may not be comfortable purchasing cryptocurrency directly. Second, regulatory approval adds credibility and trust. When regulators give the green light, it signals that Bitcoin is becoming more accepted within mainstream finance, encouraging large institutions to enter the market. Third, ETFs often come with higher liquidity. This makes Bitcoin easier to trade, reduces volatility, and attracts more risk-averse investors. Fourth, a Bitcoin ETF tends to trigger positive market sentiment. When markets get excited, investors become more active, and prices often rise as a result. Finally, this sentiment and movement usually spill over into altcoins. Historically, when Bitcoin rallies, the rest of the crypto market follows, especially popular tokens like Shiba Inu. So the approval of a Bitcoin ETF could be one of the biggest catalysts for a major SHIB rally. Investors who make profits from Bitcoin often diversify into altcoins, and Shiba Inu tends to be one of the top options. What do you think about all this? Are you excited for the future of Shiba Inu? Do you believe these developments will push SHIB to new heights? Drop your thoughts in the comments because I'd love to hear your opinion on the situation.